Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's shaping the future of home design: sustainable home design, eco-friendly living spaces. With climate change and environmental concerns on the rise, more people are embracing sustainable living to reduce their carbon footprint. In this video, we'll explore how you can create a stylish, comfortable, and eco-friendly home that's both energy efficient and kind to the planet. From smart architecture to innovative materials, let's discover how to build a greener future, one home at a time. The principles of sustainable home design. Sustainable home design focuses on reducing environmental impact while maximizing efficiency and comfort. It integrates renewable energy sources, energy-efficient appliances, and eco-friendly materials. Passive design strategies, such as natural lighting and ventilation, help lower energy consumption. Using recycled or sustainably sourced materials minimizes waste and promotes a circular economy. A sustainable home also considers water conservation through rainwater harvesting and efficient plumbing systems. Smart home technology further enhances sustainability by optimizing energy use. By incorporating these principles, homeowners can create a healthier and more cost-effective living space. Eco-friendly building materials. Choosing the right materials is essential for building a sustainable home. Bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled metal offer durable and environmentally responsible alternatives to traditional materials. Low VOC, volatile organic compound, paints and finishes improve indoor air quality while being safer for the environment. Cork and natural wool serve as excellent insulation materials that regulate temperature efficiently. Additionally, sustainable concrete alternatives such as hempcrete and rammed earth reduce carbon emissions while maintaining structural integrity. Incorporating these materials ensures that homes remain environmentally friendly from construction to everyday living. Energy efficiency and renewable energy. Reducing energy consumption is a key component of sustainable home design. Solar panels and wind turbines generate renewable energy, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. High-performance insulation and double-glazed windows help maintain indoor temperatures, lowering heating and cooling costs. Smart thermostats and LED lighting further enhance energy efficiency by optimizing usage. Battery storage systems allow homeowners to store excess renewable energy for later use. By investing in these energy-saving technologies, homeowners can significantly cut their energy bills while reducing their carbon footprint. Water conservation and sustainable landscaping. Sustainable home design extends beyond the house itself. It includes the surrounding landscape. Native plants and drought-resistant gardens reduce water consumption while maintaining natural beauty. Rainwater harvesting systems collect and store water for irrigation and household use. Permeable paving solutions help prevent water runoff and replenish groundwater. Greywater recycling systems reuse water from sinks and showers for irrigation. By adopting these water-saving strategies, homeowners can create an eco-friendly outdoor space that conserves resources while enhancing their home's aesthetics. Smart home technology for sustainability. Technology plays a crucial role in making homes more sustainable. Smart thermostats adjust heating and cooling based on occupancy, reducing energy waste. Automated lighting systems turn off lights when rooms are unoccupied, saving electricity. Smart water meters track water usage and detect leaks early. Home energy management systems monitor electricity consumption and optimize efficiency. Integrating these smart technologies allows homeowners to live more sustainably while enjoying modern conveniences. Designing for a minimalist and sustainable lifestyle. Sustainability goes beyond materials and technology. It's also about lifestyle choices. A minimalist approach to home design reduces waste and encourages mindful consumption. Multifunctional furniture maximizes space while minimizing excess. Upcycling old furniture and decor items reduces the need for new resources. Decluttering and organizing with sustainability in mind create a more peaceful and efficient living environment. By adopting a minimalist and sustainable lifestyle, homeowners can contribute to a healthier planet while enjoying a simpler, stress-free home. Sustainable home design isn't just a trend. It's a movement toward a healthier planet and a better quality of life. By incorporating eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient technology, and mindful living practices, we can create homes that are both beautiful and responsible. Whether you're planning to build a new home or renovate an existing one, every small step toward sustainability makes a big difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more eco-friendly living tips. Let's work together to build a greener future.